Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Singapore. It's our last full day here, so we're a little bit sad about that because we have loved it so far.
It's beautiful here.
Today's mission is to eat all of the food that we possibly can in one day.
Every single little bit of it.
So we're starting today with breakfast, obviously, and we're going to a sort of local spot.
I think it's a famous local spot.
And we're getting a very traditional Singaporean breakfast.
It is like we are back in time, back in the 80s. It is awesome. So we've got our coffee here and it's got condensed milk, and then he pulls the coffee in a net, real old school style. And it took like, what, 30 seconds to come out? Oh, Megan, you're going to love it. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yum.
It's amazing.
That is my new favourite coffee. So this place does a traditional Singaporean breakfast with this toast, and it's got the kaya jam inside it, which is a coconut jam and butter, and then it comes with soft-boiled eggs as well. And you're supposed to put soy sauce in your soft-boiled eggs. I'm just going to try it without. The butter's just cold, so you just get a big lump of butter, but the sweetness of the coconut jam with the savoury egg is really, really good.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Oh, mate, that was good.
Great start to the day. $5.20 for all of that. So we made a pact today that we were only going to order one meal to share at every single restaurant so that we could try more things without getting full. And on the way out, Jack got 2 curry puffs.
I spotted the curry puff stalls.
Now we have to eat them.
Look at that. We're watching them make it from scratch. All right, here you go. All right, so far it's just pastry. It's very dry, and I can't swallow it right now. You got to work for the curry paste. My grandparents are from India, and that just reminded me of my childhood. It's like, boom, curry in your face.
But it's got a little bit of sweetness. It looks like a sweet potato in there as well. Maybe that's where the sweetness is coming from. It's definitely white potatoes.
Yeah, we're going to go with white potato, sweet potato, and a whole heap of curry powder.
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Megan? Is that the... Look, there's one above your head.
We gotta try it, hey?
We do.
It doesn't smell that bad. Maybe it's when you cut it open. I thought it smelled quite nice.
That's called durian, eh?
Yeah.
We were just about to say how peacefully quiet it is here, and then someone with a jackhammer starts going up.
No, but it is really cool that it feels like you're in the middle of the city, but it's just very peaceful. I mean, apart from the construction noise, but not many people around. I find that really cool.
We're on our way to Little India. We've got to catch a bus first, though. What are we doing, Megan?
We just walked into a shopping centre just so we could be in the aircon for a little bit. No intention of buying anything.
No
just
intention.
Here for aircon.
Hey, we can go window shopping.
Sure.
So bear with us with the food, guys. We're going to go window shopping instead. We made it to Little India, and complete scenery change.
Yeah,
That's a really bad noise there.
What's it? That's a bad noise.
We apologise for all the noises today. Oh my gosh, look at all the ginger. Look at this. Look at the garlic. So many herbs and spices. I'm loving this.
I just love how bright and colourful all the buildings are. And then straight away, the first laneway we turned down was just full of like
Don't even know.
many different things. Souvenirs, flowers, coconuts, which we're definitely going to go back to get. It's amazing.
It's a bit chaotic. It's a lot more busier here, isn't it?
Yeah, especially as we were just saying how peaceful and how there was no one
It's
around.
like a full flip.
Yeah, crazy.
And
And we've only really driven like 5 minutes.
And the smells here are just beautiful. All the different herbs and spices, and God knows what else I'm smelling, but it's all very nice.
Well guys, Jack did all the planning for today's video, and the place that he's brought us for lunch is closed.
Oh no. Project repairs and redecoration, you're joking. Oh no.
Just wait out for 2 weeks.
So the place I brought us to is called Tekka Place, and apparently it had all amazing Indian foods there. But
Yeah,
we're
it's
in
another hawker style.
We're in Little India, so I'm sure we can go find some Indian food. Sure.
I could literally just walk these streets for hours. We just went down the oldest street that was recorded on a map from the early 1800s.
Yeah.
And they still have buildings there from the mid to late 1800s.
Nuts.
So that's awesome.
But we'll go find some Indian food. We bought you a little India. We're going to eat Indian food. Thank you very much.
Thank you. But I think, yeah.
We found Indian food.
I have no idea what anything is, but it looks good. So we got some, oh, that's hot. They sent the chapati bread. Wow, it's steaming.
Yum.
There's way too much stuff here. So we've got a few soups. I think that's a pickle. We've got some curry, and I think it's all vegetarian or plant-based. Where do I even start?
What flavours?
It is a little bit spicy, but you can also taste like tomato and just
Really?
so many flavours. Yeah, it looks gingery. It's got like little fibres coming out of it that look like ginger.
What's the flavour?
I don't know. It's delicious, whatever it is.
I bet. What is it? I'm just watching Megan like this, waiting for her to tell me the flavour. That's real Indian.
It's just like
Tasting.
really mellow.
I don't know what it is.
Oh, this one's a bit thicker, a bit chunkier. Some onion in there.
What's the taste?
Pumpkin. I think so.
That's pumpkin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Can you guess where we are, guys?
So we came to Chinatown on the last video that you would have seen, but we came here strictly for food and it was late at night, so we didn't get a chance to look around.
No.
So the first stop we had to make today was to this beautiful,
Look at this tree.
Buddhist temple. It's like a life-size bonsai.
Sorry, I interrupted.
Anyway, yeah, we came to this amazing temple, and the amount of detail in the architecture is just insane. Even just walking down this street right now, all of the buildings
Look at the tree
and the
again.
trees are just so cool.
Oh, classic. Look at that. I've got to turn the camera around. That is amazing. Again, your mum's going to appreciate that.
I feel like you're the plant person and I'm the building person. I can't get over the old building.
Oh, yeah. Megan's loving the buildings. We are here on a mission to find something sweet. So
yeah.
that's what we're going to go and do.
So Jack has just had the best idea ever.
I
And
had an epiphany.
we are thinking, well, we just walked past this cute little store with all of these little things. And we thought we should buy like little souvenirs. Since we can't pack souvenirs into our own suitcases, we thought we could send them to a couple of Buy Me a Coffee people
Yeah.
every country or once a month.
Once a
or
month we'll pick something
like
to
that.
send.
So we just seen these little fridge magnets and oh my gosh, they have a Gardens by the Bay one.
I think we're going to go with that one.
And then we definitely need to get a food one.
Chili crab.
That one looks pretty good. And then what else?
We're going to
They've
get
got
3.
A durian one. They got what we had for breakfast this morning.
Oh my gosh, they do too.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so we're going to get this one, and this one.
Yeah.
And we're going to send it to one Buy Me a Coffee member.
Or 3.
Oh, we can send
one
it to
each.
3.
Yeah. 3, please. Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Have a good night. Thank you.
Yeah.
I can't believe that they got that one. Literally what we had for
That's
breakfast
wicked.
this morning. Oh, I love it.
All right.
I wish we had a fridge.
Do you reckon we can bring a fridge in us, guys?
Also, one other thing I want to say, while these buildings are behind us, still going on about the old buildings, but like the contrast of this and then this modern behind us, I just love that.
Amazing. So we found the store that I really wanted to find. I read a review on Google Maps about Chinatown and they said you have to try the bamboo cake. So it looks like it's steamed and it's definitely got coconut and it must be some kind of cake mix, and then I don't know what's in the middle of it. So we're going to find out. Oh, it tastes like pancakes with a lot of maple syrup.
Yeah, my favourite.
Oh, it's delicious. I don't know what that orange stuff is. Oh, it's sugar. You bite it, it's crunchy. Here, try it. Do you get the pancake feeling with maple syrup? That's what it is, eh? And it like melts in
It's
your
like
mouth.
caramelly. Almost kind of tastes like dates.
Yes.
That is so good.
We're going to go head off and we're going to try one of Singapore's most famous dishes, eh?
I think so. Well, it's definitely the one that Jack has been looking forward to the most.
Yes, if we can find it, that is.
So we literally just stepped off the train and walked in the direction of the food centre that we're going in, and the smoke
Everyone's coughing and
is like
sneezing.
filling the air like spicy smoke. So I am so excited.
You know when you use Cajun
cayenne pepper?
Cayenne pepper?
Yeah.
and you start coughing? That's what it is.
And it literally was coming to the opposite side of this 4-lane road.
And it was so funny because we didn't know where we're going, and I was like, I can smell it. Let's go that way. And then we're just coming now. All right, let's find this crab, baby.
crab from, and we're literally rounded up to this place, so I feel like it must be good. Thank you.
You got gloves.
Gloves.
You got some gloves.
It's gonna get messy, and Jack has gone and got one of these sugar cane drinks, which neither of us have ever tried before. So you can get it with or without lemon. So I think the lemon makes it not so sickly sweet.
No, lemon makes it sweeter.
Oh, it makes it sweeter.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's what he said. What does it taste like? Sugar?
Oh, that's really good. It's like lemonade, but not fizzy.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Look at the smile on my face. The chili crab has arrived. Oh, gotta put my gloves on. We got these buns as well. Look how messy this meal is. We got some buns, and I think the sauce has got like egg through it. Yum.
Okay.
I think you just gotta accept it's gonna get dirty. The crab makes you work for it, doesn't it?
Yeah, that was the most difficult thing I've ever eaten, I think.
That was very hard to eat, but it was still pretty good.
delicious. Yeah.
If I'm totally honest, there wasn't as much meat as I thought there was going to be. I think what happened is it all melted away into the soup.
Sauce, maybe.
Yeah, so maybe that's what happened.
But
I
the
don't know.
sauce was delicious.
Yeah, I ended up souping it up with a spoon.
Thank you. Cheers. We got ourselves a convenience store breakfast for tomorrow. Quite sad that we won't get another chance to eat breakfast out, but we're on a bus bright and early tomorrow morning, and we already told you so was our last day in Singapore, so you can probably guess where we're going on that bus.
We go to Malaysia. I just want to say a huge thank you for following along today and watching, and if you're new here, please subscribe. We would greatly
If you
appreciate
ever
it.
come to Singapore, eat all the food. It is the best.
It is the best, and it was so easy to get as well.
Yeah.
Like, it's so easy to get around, eat the food. I'm just going to keep talking, so that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.
Just giving you such a blank stare at that too.
I can tell when Meg's like, shut up, Jack. So we'll see you on the next episode. Again, thank you so much for watching.